Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find and claim one or more domain names on WordPress. So for you to find one or more domain names on WordPress, here I can get it done by you can see the search bar. You can use the search bar and the filter icon to find more domain names. I'm just going to type this. So I want to use Tega, Tega. Tega. So I'm just going to use the filter. See recommended, because this is actually recommended by the WordPress platform. You see free for first year with annual paid plan. So I want this Tega blog, or I want Tega, or probably I want something like this Tega store, because this is for sale. So this Tega.org, Tega.page, Tega.inc, Tega.work, Tega.x. You can also get more results. Show more results. Okay, let's get more results. You can see this Tega.chart, and that's it. That's how we can also get more. If you want more, we can get more. If you want this Tega.page, you can see all domains end in page require an SSL certificate to host a website. So if you want to go this for this, you're probably going to have to pay more than the usual. This is actually for free. You can see this is free, so I'm just going to click this, which is t360.wordpress.com. But I don't want to use this. I just have to pay for the first year. So let's just go for this. Free for the first year. Let's continue. Let's see if it's gonna work. If it didn't work, then you go back to the other one, which is the free version. You can see schedule. Okay, good. This is not gonna allow us to use the free version. I think we should go back. Let's go back and let's go get the free version. So this is free, so let's go for it. Good. So once you do that, then you click for it is for personal, for premium, business, commerce, enterprises. The price range up there. So I'm just gonna go for the personal use, or should I say for the business? Okay, let's say personal. So by using the personal, you can see this amount you're gonna pay per month, period, and also some tax house included. Then you have 6 GB storage space. So just gonna click on get personal. Then once you click on get personal, then just gonna make your payment. Okay, good. Let's take one more time. Active it. You can see how there we go. This is our order, then this is the checkout, this is how many payments, how many years so far. I make payment for 3, 2 years, or 1 year. So I'm just gonna put this particular one, this is the 1 year. Then this is the payment plan. For 86 years, you're paying $102. For 8 years, you're paying $106. If it is 9 years, $198. 10 years, $220. Okay, good. Then you pick where you're from. I say we have almost all the country, so there's no country restriction. So I'm just gonna pick. Okay, now let me just pick our place country. There's Nigeria. Okay, this is Nigeria down here. Good. Nigeria. Then after that, then you have your address, then your city, your state, then your postal address. Then you continue with the payment. Now once you do that, then this particular domain names belongs to you, and it will only be used by you on this WordPress platform. And that's it. Kindly go through, like, and for more. Thank you.